Look no further than this picturesque home in Las Vegas, Nevada, where you will find everything you've been looking for in a residence. This spacious residence has a comfortable 3 bedrooms and 2 full and 1/2 bathrooms, and its warm and inviting ambiance will leave you feeling right at home. Ken Lohman with Luxury Homes of Las Vegas would like to invite you to take a moment and tour this beautiful home. If you have any questions, contact Ken at 702-216-4663. Thank you for your interest in this property and enjoy the presentation tour.